All right, so this is what ChatGPT came up with when I asked it to write an ode to trademarks. Ode to trademarks. Oh, trademarks, you symbols of distinction that give businesses unique recognition with words, logos, and colors so bold, you help protect brands, we are told. You distinguish Nike from Adidas, Coca-Cola from Pepsi in a world so vicious, Apple from Samsung, McDonald's from Burger King. Without you, confusion would surely reign. You provide businesses with a competitive edge in the marketplace where they can pledge to offer quality and service second to none and build trust with customers one by one. You are a legal shield against infringement, a means to protect and defend a company's intellectual property from competitors who would seek to copy. Oh, trademarks, you are an ode to innovation, a way for businesses to make a statement, to stand out and be recognized in a crowded world where brands can rise. So let's celebrate your power and your might and acknowledge your role in branding's flight. For without you, the world would be a blur and businesses would surely falter. Well, it's pretty good for an AI thing. There's a lot of great stuff there, lots of true things. So what do you think about trademarks?